Hello, dear friends and fans of goodlifta. Welcome back. Yes, again, our smart server lifter has evolved again and again, according to customer needs. This time, it comes with this remote control, help you to drive into narrow aisles with heavy-duty servers. Also comes with quite a few added features. First of all, for heavy-duty servers, we have this manual and auto leveling features. For high-density aisles with limited lights, we also have these front lights and CCDs to help operators or users to aim for precision leveling at confined spaces. Also, with these aligned level beams, help operators to align the servers versus the racks. So, whatever material issues you are running into, please feel free to contact us at goodlifta. We have a lot of brilliant ideas, not only for servers, for whatever materials you want to handle. See you next time. Bye.